Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give multiple job opportunities from all over India. So watch the video till end, don't skip out. If you skip, you will miss so many content from all department, PG, UG, engineering, BSc and all department. I am going to give complete explanation. So don't skip out, watch the video till end, share to your friends. Before going to that, just subscribe and like my channel. So let's go to the first one, going to win. Collaborate from Associative Quality Engineering. This is for B, BTech, ME, MTech. Those who are having knowledge in any one coding as a beginner level, it will be helpful for you. You are going to do all the things using the coding only. If you are not having coding, if you are on theoretically only, you can apply for the automation and algorithm. This is for 2021 and 2022 and 2022 batches from all departments from B, BTech, ME, MTech. They won't charge any amount. Apply with your resume. If I shortlisted, they will send you the exam link. This is what they from TCP internship application form for 2023 batches and 2022. Those who are recently going to graduate 4th year, 3rd year or MTech, BE, MTech, all can apply for this role. With the CGPA, this is going to be government TDPA Telecom Engineering Center from Delhi. You can operate work from home internship only they are providing. So please fill this form clearly. If you filled out, they will send you the link for the internship training, everything they will provide you guys. And the next one going to be, it will take some time. So Zogo web development for multiple role. So you can create account in Zogo itself. This is direct Zogo creating account page, easy way to create a Zogo account. This is what the Zogo portal. So if you filled out, if you upload the resume here, it will automatically fill out. So many times I will expand the video how to fill Zogo. One of the easiest way to apply for the multiple job opportunities. So let's see here, it taken time. So next one going to be Capgemini for the two roles which I mentioned. What there should be Capgemini PP from 4 LPA from Master Data Management and Batch Dating Management from B, BTech, ME, MTech. All can apply for this role, which they mention here itself. This is for non-tech background student guys, and then this is what they're from computer science background from Bangalore Electronic Cities and Chennai, and this is what the two areas which they are concentrating. So 0 to 6 months of experience in B, BTech, ME, MTech, all can apply for this role. About the CTC which they mentioned here itself, 4 LPA they are going to provide for the freshers and experience. This is what the two things they mentioned here. This is what CA engineering and associate engineering from UG, which is going to be in both CS as well as mechanical and civil. UG 3 to 3.5, PG 3 to 4 LPA, automation, thermal and bachelor in 70%. These are all the key skills which they required, and that the thing which they mentioned. Software development coding for the CA role, and another for CTC range which they mentioned 3 to 6 for PG and 3 to 5 for UG. Computer science, mechanical, civil, all can apply for this role for the coding knowledge. This much skills they are expecting from the student. Any one knowledge you can start apply here, and the Google form, and you should sign for 2.5 year bond. 2.5 year bond they mention general aptitude and general max C++ and entry update, and Naurkri where you find document which role you are applying. You just want to click associate engineer, mobile, year of passing, qualification, PG and ME Tech and 12th, and upload your resume. IBM software development for freshers, you can apply here itself. Don't pay any amount. B, BTech, ME, MTech, all can apply for this role, which they mention master and degree in computer science and equivalent. It should be any proficiency in any one languages. And the next one going to be technical support engineering from careers from VWware from Electronic Cities Bangalore, which they are offering 5 LPA for the freshers student. B, BTech, ME, MTech, all can apply. BSc and BS students also can apply for this role. Cloud and visualization data. And this is what they from international hiring process, which is 17 hours ago. So being the 25th application has been filled, no longer accepted, you can send it to their portal, or you can call them directly with the LPA which they mentioned 3 to 4.5 LPA approximately. You can directly call and you can spoke out. And the training engineering role from which is the company Cyient started their hiring from Hyderabad, one of the another state of electronic cities. B, BTech, ME, MTech from 2018, which I mentioned, no 2018 to 2022, no experience required. About the company romance and the technical things, everything they can mention here itself, guys. So you can read out here. On the first year, on the 6 month of the training, next 6 month, and the bonus, all the things which they mention, general shift, night shift, job weekly, everything they can provide here. So you can start apply. This is what the multiple job opportunities, and this is what another company. So it will take some time. Before going to this, you can visit our channel at any time about interview experience, jobs, interview question, all kind of things I am provided here. You can visit our channel at any time. So this is what they from BD graduate training engineering role from freshers from Electronic Cities Bangalore. The BTech, MEM Tech all can apply for this role. So no need to worry about the jobs, you can provide it here daily. So you can visit our job at any time. If you have any doubt, comment me, I will surely help you. Thanks for watching. Share this to your friends and subscribe and like my channel, guys.